Hello student, welcome to the My Dream, the India's first ever e-learning education platform where each and every topic will be taught with what, why and how concept. Today we start our next chapter in organic chemistry part, and our chapter is haloalkanes and haloarenes. So before starting haloalkane and haloarenes, we want to discuss first what is haloalkane, haloarene, why we discuss about haloalkane and haloarene, and how haloalkane and haloarene is relate our daily to daily life. So first, what is haloalkane and haloarene? So in hydrocarbon we have formula RH. If these hydrogens substitute by halogen, then formula become RX, which denote alkyl halide, and that is hydrocarbon. And similar, if we have aromatic hydrocarbon, and similar substitute, then formula become, that is aryl halide. So halogen derivative is a substitute of hydrocarbon or aromatic hydrocarbon. If in hydrocarbon hydrogen is substituted by halogen, then formula is alkyl halide. If in aromatic hydrocarbon hydrogen substitute by halogen, then formula is aryl halide. Why we discuss about halogen derivative? Because halogen derivative have characteristics nucleophilic substitution reaction, and this reaction is different from all other functional group of organic chemistry. That's why we study about halogen derivative. How halogen derivative is relate our daily to daily life. Lot of example of halogen derivative like chloroform used as an anesthetic agent, iodoform which used as a antiseptic agent. However, iodoform release iodine and that iodine cause antiseptic agent. CCl4 carbon tetrachloride or perchloromethane used as a fire extinguisher, while DDT compound used as a insecticide or pesticide. Similar, phosgene and mustard gas also halogen derivative and used as a poisonous gases. So that are the some compound which very well related our daily to daily life. So first we discuss about classification of halogen derivative. So first discuss classification of halogen derivative. We know that RX indicate alkyl halide, while that indicate aryl halide because aromatic or aryl group. So first classification on the basis of number of halogen, on the basis of number of halogen. So if we classify halogen on the basis of number of halogen, then we have first monohalide. Monohalide, only one halogen atom, like CH3, CH2Cl, ethyl chloride, methyl chloride, chlorobenzene, that all are monohalide. Second, dihalide. So dihalide means two halogen present, like we have CH3, CHClCl, it have two halogen, or we also write by common X indicate halogen, or we also write in aryl halide, that is dihalide. trihalide, presence of 3 halogen, like it is trihalide, or it is dihalide. Polyhalide, more than 3 halogen atom, like CCl4, C2Cl6, so that are example of polyhalide. Now we discuss second classification B, on the basis of carbon which connect with halogen. So on this basis, if alkyl halide or haloalkane classify, then we have different category. First, 1 degree alkyl halide, 1 degree alkyl halide, CH3, CH2, Cl, ethyl chloride, N-propyl chloride, that are 1 degree halide, 1 degree alkyl halide. Why these consider 1 degree alkyl halide? Because if halogen connect with carbon and that carbon connect with other only one carbon, that is 1 degree halide. In this condition, halogen connect with that carbon and that carbon also connect with another one carbon, so that are 1 degree alkyl halide. Now second, 2 degree alkyl halide, 2 degree alkyl halide. We have example like CH3, CHCl, CH3, which is the isopropyl chloride, isopropyl chloride. Or we also write that CH3, CHBr, CH2 and CH3, that is secondary butyl bromide, secondary butyl bromide. So these are 2 degree alkyl halide because halogen connect with these carbon and that carbon directly connect with other 2 carbon, so it is 2 degree. And similar here, halogen connect with that carbon and that carbon directly connect with 2 carbon, so it is 2 degree. So that is 2 degree alkyl halide. Now third category is 3 degree or tertiary alkyl halide, tertiary alkyl halide. So what is 3 degree or tertiary alkyl halide? CH3, CH3, CH3 and Cl, that is tertiary butyl chloride, tertiary butyl chloride. CH3, CH3, Br, that is tertiary pentyl and bromide. Halogen connect with carbon and that carbon connect with 3 group, 1, 2, 3, so that is 3 degree. And similar is here, halogen connect with these carbon and these carbon connect with the other 3 carbon, so that are 3 degree type halide, so that are 3 degree alkyl halide. So that are the classification on the basis of carbon by which halogen connect. Now fourth, allyl halide. What is allyl halide? CH2 double bond CH and CH2X, that is allyl halide, allyl halide. So we say that halogen directly connect with sp3 carbon which connect with double bonded compound or double bonded carbon or sp2 carbon. We have some example like CH2 double bond CH2Cl, that is allyl chloride, that is allyl chloride. That is also allyl and naming is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 3-bromo cyclohexene. Benzylic halide. That is benzylic halide. So in this case, halogen directly connect with sp3 carbon which connect with aromatic ring. So that carbon is sp3 and then it is aromatic ring. So that type of halide known as benzylic halide. We have example like that is benzyl chloride. Or we have one more example. That is 2-bromo 2-phenyl or propane. Also, so that is a type of benzylic halide. Now fifth, vinyl halide. What is vinyl halide? Halogen directly connect sp2 hybridized carbon CH2 double bond CHX, that is vinyl halide. We have like example CH2 double bond CHCl, that is vinyl chloride. Next, sixth, aryl halide. So what is aryl halide? Halogen directly connect with sp2 carbon of aromatic ring, like that is aryl halide. That is example of aryl halide. So in aryl halide, this carbon is sp2 and in vinyl halide, this carbon is sp2. But in aryl halide, this carbon belong to benzene ring or aromatic ring. So that is aryl halide, and in that case, that is vinyl halide. After discussion of classification of halogen derivative, now we discuss about preparation method of halogen derivative. So discuss about preparation method. of halogen derivatives. Preparation method of halogen derivative. First method of preparation is from alcohol, or we write ROH. So for preparation of halogen derivative by alcohol, we have three reagents. First, anhydrous ZnCl2 and concentrated HCl, that is first reagent. Second, we use PXN, and third we use SOCl2, or we write thionyl chloride. So during formation, so these are three reagents which use during formation of halogen derivative by alcohol. These reagents are also known as Lucas reagent. These are known as Lucas reagent. Now we have example. If alcohol react with halogen acid, that is halogen acid, then they form alkyl halide with elimination of H2. Now if you use like CH3CH2OH with concentrated HCl and in presence of anhydrous ZnCl2, then form CH3CH2Cl plus H2O. So in this reaction, OH group remove from alcohol and substitute by chloride group. Now similar reaction also possible with isopropyl alcohol, concentrated HCl, presence of anhydrous ZnCl2, then product is isopropyl chloride plus H2O. But if you use tertiary alcohol plus concentrated HCl, then we does not use anhydrous ZnCl2. So important point is that for 1 degree and 2 degree alcohol, anhydrous ZnCl2 use. For 3 degree alcohol, only concentrated HCl use with concentrated HCl. If you want to react with HBr, then we have reaction CH3CH2OH ethyl alcohol react with NaBr and H2SO4, because then it react with NaBr and H2SO4 because HBr is unstable. So it prepared by NaBr and H2SO4, it forms CH3CH2Br, and byproduct is NHSO4 and H2O. And similar, if you want to react with Hi, NaI or Ki with S3PO4, that forms CH3CH2 iodide plus NaOH. So if you want to calculate reactivity of halogen acid, then Hi have maximum reactivity, then HBr, and then HCl. So maximum reactivity with Hi and minimum reactivity with HCl. Now reactivity of alcohol with Lucas reagent, that is 3 degree alcohol, then 2 degree alcohol, then 1 degree alcohol. So that are the reactivity of alcohol with Lucas reagent. Now discuss second method from alcohol is by PXN, or we say that phosphorus halide. PCl3, PCl5, PBr3, PI3, PBr5 and PI5. These both halide or PCl3 and PCl5 is stable, but these trihalide or phosphorus bromide and iodide is unstable, while PB and P5 does not exist. So if we react alcohol with PCl3, then 3 equivalent alcohol use and they form 3 equivalent ethyl chloride with S3PO3. Or you also understand this reaction by that is 3 equivalent of alcohol and that is PCl3. Now they remove S3PO3 and form 3 equivalent CH3CH2Cl plus S3PO3. Now important point is that this reaction is SN2 type reagent. This reaction is SN2 type. If we react with CH3CH2OH with PCl5, that form CH3CH2Cl plus POCl3 plus HCl, or we say that these PCl5 break these bond, that type, and after breaking these bond PCl3 Cl and Cl, so it will become CH3CH2Cl ethyl chloride, phosphoryl chloride and HCl, and that is also SN2 type reaction, and PCl3 is also SN2 region, which we discuss in chemical reactivity of halogen derivative. Now if you want to prepare by PBr3 and PI3, then they prepare by reaction with halogen P4 plus X2, where X2 is Br2 and I2 react with and form 4px3. So that is the process by which we prepare PBr3 and PI3 in a reaction medium. So reaction is similar, but they prepare by these process. Now if you want to react with CH3CH2OH and we want to prepare bromide, then we use phosphorus and Br2 because they react and form PBr3, and similar reaction is CH3CH2Br ethyl bromide form. Now third process by thionyl chloride SOCl2. This process known as Darjan process. And one more important point that is very important, best method for formation of 1 degree alkyl halide. So we use CH3CH2OH and we use SOCl2 thionyl chloride in presence of base or pyridine, that it convert into CH3CH2Cl plus SO2 plus HCl. So benefit of this process is that in this reaction byproduct is SO2 is gas and HCl is also gas. So gas is escape out and only alkyl halide product is obtained. That's why that is the best process of formation of 1 degree alkyl halide. Now we discuss second method of preparation of alkyl halide from hydrocarbon. So second method is by hydrocarbon. we have methane and we react with chlorine in presence of radiation or diffuse sunlight. So in presence of diffuse sunlight and we take hydrocarbon excess, then product is CH3Cl plus HCl and reaction is free radical substitution. That reaction is free radical substitution. Free radical substitution. If in this reaction we use chlorine, presence of radiation diffuse light, but we use chlorine excess, then first convert in CH3Cl, then it convert into CH2Cl2, that convert further in CHCl3, and at last final product is CCl4 or carbon tetrachloride. So if we take excess of hydrocarbon, then major product is alkyl halide, and if we take excess of chlorine, then different substitute monohalide, dihalide, trihalide and tetrahalide also form. Now if we take CH3CH2 CH2Cl butane or N-butane with reaction with bromine, presence of radiation, then two types of product form, CH3CH CH2 CH3 Br and CH3 CH2 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 and Br. So that are 1 degree halide and that are 2 degree halide. So in case of these substitute or N-butane, two isomeric product form that are position isomer of one other. Now discuss third method of preparation of halogen derivative or alkyl halide is from alkene. So for preparation of alkyl halide we use first by halogen acid or HX, and second we use by X2 or halogen. So first we discuss about CH2 double bond CH2 plus react with HCl. That is example of electrophilic addition reaction or EAR, electrophilic addition reaction. So it break down in H plus Cl minus, first electrophile attack and it convert into CH3 CH2 Cl. Major product of reaction is CH3 carbon CH3 Cl. So in case 1 degree halide, in that case 3 degree halide. So in this reaction is also type of EAR. So reaction of alkene halogen acid is electrophilic addition reaction. One more important point, in these reaction intermediate carbocation form. We have one more example. We have CH3 CH double bond CH2 plus HBr. Now halogen bromide or hydrogen bromide react with propene, then product is CH3 CHBr CH3 or isopropyl bromide. That is a product of reaction. Now if we discuss mechanism, then this reaction completed by two steps. Step first, attack of electrophile. We know that CH3 CH double bond CH2 propene have nucleophilic center because it have presence of double bond, and HBr release H plus ion which act as electrophile. So these pile transfer to electrophile, and after transfer they form carbocation. That is carbocation intermediate. So in reaction carbocation intermediate form. Now in step second, nucleophile attack on stable carbocation site. So we have stable carbocation at 2 degree, that is 2D carbocation, and most stable form is 2 degree also. And now Br minus nucleophile attack on that carbon, transfer the electron, so it converts CH3, CH, Br and CC. So that are the process by which reaction proceed or isopropyl bromide